When you search for the best swamp cooler or portable AC, everything looks the same. Same claims, same photos. But to truly understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, FOD Finu Portable Swamp Cooler. Let's kick things off with the FOD Finu Portable Air Conditioner. Priced at $99.99, this unit caught my eye with its sleek design and versatile features. If you want a multifunctional cooler that can tackle the summer heat, this is worth a serious look. First off, this is a 4-in-1 evaporative air cooler. It doesn't just cool down the air, it can also function as a humidifier and a fan, which is perfect for those who want options. The 3.5-gallon water tank gives up to 12 hours of continuous cooling, and that's a lifesaver on hot days. Plus, the 120-degree oscillation ensures that the cool air reaches every corner of your room. Here's why this matters for you. If you're dealing with a space up to 400 square feet, this unit can really make a difference. Now, let's talk about noise. Operating at just 45 decibels, it's quieter than a soft conversation, making it great for bedrooms or offices. But here's the thing. Some users mention that the 120-degree rotation can be a bit slow. Honestly, it might not be a deal breaker if you just want consistent cooling in a smaller area. This is perfect for you if you need something mobile and effective in a medium-sized room. Skip this one if you have a larger space or need rapid cooling, as it may struggle when pushed to its limits. But for under $100, it's a solid option. Now, if the FOD Finu's oscillation speed concerned you, the next product might just change your perspective entirely.
Product number 2, Yeeju Evaporative Cooling Fan. The Yeeju Portable Air Conditioner, also priced at $99.99. This unit is designed with a 2.5-gallon water tank, which means you can enjoy up to 24 hours of cooling without frequent refills. If you're looking for something that can keep the air cool without constant attention, this is definitely worth checking out. This model boasts 2026 advanced cooling technology that can drop the temperature by 50 to 59 degrees Fahrenheit. With a maximum airflow of 2,500 CFM, it can cover an area of up to 300 square feet. So whether you're in your bedroom or garage, it really gets the job done. Plus, the 60-degree oscillation ensures that you won't feel hot spots in your room. Here's why this matters for you. If you're someone who doesn't want to deal with complicated setups, this unit requires no assembly. Just plug it in and go. However, some users reported that the remote control range could be better. Here's the thing though, if you're planning to use it in a smaller space, you'll likely be close enough to adjust settings without any hassle. This is perfect for you if you desire convenience and efficiency. Skip this one if you frequently use larger rooms or high humidity levels, as it might not be as effective in those conditions. But for a portable unit, it offers great value for your money. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger spaces.
Product number 3, Hessair M18M Evaporative Air Cooler, priced at $187. I was drawn to this one because it's designed for larger areas, making it an excellent choice for outdoor patios or big rooms. If you're looking for something that can handle bigger spaces, this one's definitely worth considering. This cooler delivers an impressive 1,300 CFM airflow and can cover up to 500 square feet. With its lightweight design and 4.8-gallon tank, it's easy to move around. Plus, you can save up to 50% on electricity bills with this efficient model. Here's why this matters for you. If you want a reliable solution for outdoor gatherings or larger indoor areas, this cooler can keep everyone comfortable without breaking the bank. However, I did notice that some users complained about the noise level at higher speeds. Honestly, if you're using it outdoors, that shouldn't be a deal breaker, but if you're sensitive to noise indoors, it might be something to consider. This is perfect for you if you often host outdoor gatherings or need to cool larger spaces. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra quiet and compact, as it could be a bit loud at times, but for outdoor cooling, it's a great investment. Now, if you want something that's a bit more compact but still powerful, the next product offers a unique twist.
Product number 4, CrimyPeg Portable Swamp Cooler. We have the CrimyPeg Portable Swamp Cooler, priced at $143.99. This one caught my attention because of its massive 7.5-gallon tank, which promises up to 30 hours of cooling. If you're tired of constantly refilling your cooler, this could be the answer. This unit features fast cooling capabilities and comes with 4 ice packs to enhance performance. It can effectively cool a room up to 300 square feet and has a 120-degree oscillation for even air distribution. This is great for those hot summer days when you just want the air to feel fresh and crisp. Here's why this matters for you. You won't have to deal with the hassle of refilling your tank repeatedly, allowing you to enjoy uninterrupted comfort. On the downside, some users found the assembly a bit tedious. But here's my perspective. Once it's set up, you're golden for days, and it's worth a bit of effort for the long-term convenience. This is perfect for you if you want longer cooling times without constant refills. Skip this one if you prefer a more straightforward setup, as it might take a bit of time to get going. For the price, it offers significant cooling capabilities. Now, if you're interested in a more feature-packed model, the final product might be just what you need.
Product number 5, Coolec 4-in-1 Windowless Air Conditioner. We have the Coolec 4-in-1 Windowless Air Conditioner, priced at $149.98. This unit is interesting because it combines multiple functionalities into one, including a fan, humidifier, and air cooler. If you want an all-in-one solution, this might just be the best fit for you. This model features a 3.2-gallon tank and offers up to 30 hours of cooling. With 4 different modes and speeds, you can customize your comfort level easily. The Smart Water Alert system ensures you never run out of water, which is great for peace of mind. Here's why this matters. If you live in a dry climate, having a humidifier functionality can make a huge difference in your comfort. That said, some users reported that the unit can be a bit bulky. Honestly, if you have limited space, it might feel a bit overwhelming. However, if you can accommodate it, the features it offers are more than worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a multifunctional cooler that adapts to various needs. Skip this one if you're looking for something compact and lightweight, as it might not fit in tighter spaces. But for a price just under $150, it's a solid deal for the functionality you get.
So, to wrap it all up, we've explored the FODN-FIU for versatile cooling, the Yiju for energy efficiency, the Hessair for larger spaces, the CrimeyPag for longer cooling times, and the Coolidge for multifunctionality. Each one has its strengths, so it really depends on your specific needs. Make sure to do your own research and choose the one that fits your lifestyle best.